Marky Monday has a great show. Marky Monday, this is my show. It's called Marky Mondays. Marky Monday has a great show. It's Marky Monday, Marky Monday. Welcome to the show. Now here we go. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday.
Hey, welcome to the show. Do you know what this is? Have you ever seen this instrument before? Check it out. What is it? What is it? You ever seen this before? This is called a mandolin. And today's show is all about this instrument, the mandolin. Ooh, it's going to be such a great episode. And make sure you stay all the way to the end of the show because you will have a chance to win a prize. If you watch the whole show today, there's going to be a skill testing question at the end, and you will have a chance to win the prize. So make sure you stay all the way to the end of the show. All right, speaking of the show, are you ready to start the show? Let's start the show. Here we go.
Marky plays drums.
Hey, Giant Banana.
Hey, Marky Monday, I'm going to tell you a secret.
A secret.
Yes, that's right, a secret. Well, you already know this secret, so I'm just going to tell it to the kids at home. Kids at home, you want to know something? I know the name of Marky Monday's mandolin. Do you want to know what it is? Marky Monday's mandolin's name is Lolita. Lolita, isn't that such a beautiful name? She's such a beautiful instrument. Marky Monday's mandolin's name is Lolita.
Donny, 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 Donatello, Cleo, 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 Cleopatra, Donny, 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 Donatello, Cleo, 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 Donny, 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 Cleo, Donny, Cleo, Donatello and Cleopatra, cats.
Hey. Yeah. Oh, I like this. I really like this. Hey, Donatello, you should come take a look at this.
What are you doing? What's going on here? What is this? What is this?
It's a string. It's a string, silly.
It's time for the beat of the week. Beat of the week. Yeah, beat of the week this week. We're going to use the mandolin for the beat, meaning we're just going to use the 3 syllables of the mandolin name. Mandolin, like that. Mandolin. 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 Do it with Marky. Come on, let's do it together. Mandolin. 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 Yeah. Now, let's do it to some music with Margarita, Señorita, Bonita, Chiquita, Banana.
Okay. Today we are using the beautiful instrument, the mandolin, do our beat of the week with the music. Oh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Mandolin. 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 Mandolin.
Marky plays guitar.
Redonkulous, the ridiculous. Redonkulous, the ridiculous.
Hey, Redonkulous, what do you have for us today?
Well, Marky, did you know that the mandolin, the instrument of the day today, the mandolin, is actually like playing upside down bass guitar?
Ooh, I didn't know that, Redonkulous.
Yeah, it's upside down bass guitar. You see, the guitar is tuned like this. The lowest string is E, then you have A, then D, then G. But the mandolin is opposite. It goes G, then D, then A, then E. The mandolin!
Marky plays piano.
Ooh, I'm so excited. We got a brand new song for you. A brand new song written on the mandolin by Marky Monday. It's a mandolin song, Lolita. We played it on Lolita. It's called Hug the Ones You Love. And it's a beautiful song, and it's brand new, and it's coming out on the new album, Marky Monday's Adventures in Space, which is happening September 28th, 2019 at the Richmond Hill Center for the Performing Arts. Tickets are on sale now if you go to markymonday.com. The link is in the bottom. But anyways, take a watch to this song. I hope you like it.
How do you share love? How do you show you care? How do you express yourself? You hug the ones you love. Family are those you love. Friends are those who care. Feelings are what we share when we hug the ones we love. Love, love, When can you show you care? Time is now, so what you waiting for? So hug the ones you love. Family are those you love. Friends are those who care. Feelings are what we share when we hug the ones we love. Love, love, love.
Well, we've come to the end of the program, and as promised, there is a skill testing question, and answering of the question will give you a prize. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. A prize. What is the prize for today, Johnny? Well, the prize for today would be the song Hug You Ones You Love. Hug the ones you love. You will get a free copy of the song sent right to your email. So you have to answer this question. What you do is you go down to the prize portal, the Marky Monday prize portal, which is in the description of this video. And you click on the prize portal, and then you answer this question. The question for today, folks, is... what is the name of Marky Monday's mandolin? What is the name of Marky Monday's mandolin? If you answer that correctly, you are going to get a free song today sent right to your email. So go down in the description of this video, click on the prize portal, and that will take you to the place where you answered the question. And Marky Monday will email you back with the song. Yes, thanks so much for watching. There's new episodes every week. Every Monday is a brand new episode. Make sure you like this video, you share it with all your friends, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, hasta Luigi!
Hey, thanks for watching. Click the circle to subscribe to the Marky Monday channel. Yes, and click the squares to watch another episode of the Marky Monday Show.
And make sure you tune in next Monday for another great show. Until then,
Hasta Luigi!